What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, we're going to be installing a shifter bushing from Torque Solutions. And what this is supposed to do, it's supposed to improve the precision and make it like a better feel on the shifter. I'm not sure if that's true, but we're going to go ahead and install it and find out and see if it's actually worth it. So let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is get the car up in the air, get your jack stand set, and then go to the middle of the car. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's the bushing right there. So we actually have to lower the drivetrain down, which is going to be these two 14 mil bolts, right? Oh shit, there's a bug in here, sorry. Yeah, the two 14 mil bolts, and then we're going to lower the drivetrain down slowly to get to that bushing. Also, make sure you actually have a freaking jack that can lift the car up high enough. Jeez. Okay, once you have it lowered, now there's gonna be two screws, as you can see, one right there, and then one on this side. It's gonna be a little bit harder to reach, so dang, can you see it right there? You see it right there? And then go ahead and loosen that. By the way, those bolts I believe are 12 mm. Okay, now that you have both screws loose, you're gonna lower it a little bit. As you can see here, you're gonna lower it, and then you're just gonna pull it out like that. You see how it's coming out that way? And it's gonna take some force, so I'm gonna put the camera down and you just pull it out just like that. And I'll show you how it looks with between the new one. Okay, here they are side by side. This is the one that I pulled out of the car, as you can see. And this is the one that's about to go in. And this one's metal. I forgot what it's made out of, but yeah, let's see. We're gonna go ahead and put it in. I'm not sure if it's gonna make a difference, to be honest, but I guess I can't really tell right now. But anyways, before you put them in, go ahead and throw a little lube on there, grease it up a little bit, and then put it in. All right. So I got mine in there. It was a little bit difficult, but now that screw, you're gonna tighten it to 15 pound-feet of torque. Sorry guys, I don't have much room to work down here, but once you get that down to 15 pounds, you're gonna go ahead and put the drivetrain back up, and you're gonna torque these bolts to 38 foot-pounds. I'm just gonna go around 40, so go ahead and do that. Guys, now everything's torqued down. All we gotta do is just test it out. So let's see if this even did anything. All right, let's go. Let's go for a feel now. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe it feels like a little bit better going into the gear. I kind of know what gear I'm going into. But not a huge difference, to be honest, but it does, actually, it's not too bad. Yeah, I think it actually, it feels like I can go into the gear a little bit better. I don't know if that's just psychological, but it feels a little bit better. Anyways, it came with my short shifter kit, so I didn't mind putting it in. On the next video, we're gonna be doing the short shifter, so stay tuned for that. See you guys. I actually almost forgot. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and spread love. Now, hey, you already know. Have a good one.